So you also face this issue?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Just before we connected. What is this? Yeah. Okay, meantime, anyone having doubts, guys? Like someone asked me like shipping button disabled, that shipping grants required. This is okay, at least it's allowing me.
Hello, sir.
I'm using your credential first.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, one small doubt, sir.
Okay.
Actually, I'm just doing one more time this order to cash cycle first class.
Okay.
So the same problem I'm getting when I am doing this shipment side. So it's like I'm not getting this one. So can I share my screen, sir?
I'm in your user only. Just tell me what's the issue. I'm
Uh,
user actually.
okay. 1 second, sir. So, like after status code, we have to open that sales order and we have to check and we have to enter that custom order ID, right? So that time it is not taking that order ID, sir. I don't know why that
Not
field is
order
not.
ID, it's order number.
So order number, sir.
Do not try to open. Here I'm opening your username password. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm not opening.
Okay, guys, we are all set. Sorry to keep you wait. Now, second class it is. As of now, we have finished order entry, then booking, quick release, shipping. Okay, these are all the four steps we completed. Okay, next step here is account receivable invoice and account receivable receipt, and then transfer to GL. So these three steps will finish it today. So this is the different machine I'm using. So all the four steps I wanted to perform very quickly. Go to order management. Whenever you are booking, you have to check availability. Otherwise, it will become a back order. See, on hand quantity is zero here. But we have to increase it. Check the availability. Okay. On hand it 86. Okay, this I can use it. So I'm using laptop Dell A1. This item, and then book order. Quick release and shipping both will perform with a single step, that is auto ship. So whatever the first class I did in just 1 minute. So this you have to make it yes, then only auto pack program will be submitted automatically. This is auto ship. Shipping also will perform. Execute now. Click on execute now. It will submit couple of concurrent programs. Click on OK. Check all the programs submitted. Okay. So now you can use the order number. We are here. Okay. Order entry, order number. So the first class we completed only these 4 steps. Revision is also completed. Now to create an invoice, we have to run a program that is workflow background process. It will call auto invoice master program and auto invoice import program. This with the moment you submit this program, it will internally call these 2 programs. It will create invoices automatically. So invoice number is auto invoice. It is auto. Okay. As of now, we haven't created. Let's create it. Go to view requests. Yeah. Workflow background process. Item type is OM underline. Submit. Fine. See, it has submitted automatically. There are multiple orders. That's why these many programs. You choose your number here. Auto invoice import program. This is not our order number. See, this is our order number is 69442. Just check here. These are all other people orders. Click on refresh. Okay, so now you need to check. These are all the parameters, right? If you click on view details, again click on this parameters. Here is a place. This parameter is the order number here. 442. Yeah, this is the one. Okay. Click on view output. Once we click on a view output, it will not open here. So go to Mozilla Firefox. Here there is a tab here. See, one invoice created and other the same invoice it's processed, but it is not given any number. Only it has given the amount, everything. So to identify the which invoice is created, invoice will be available in receivables only. Receivable. I'm shifting to other module, receivable vision operations, and then transactions, transactions. Press F11. Source is order entry here. Then the reference number place, we have to give order number. Control F11. Now the tables are behind this is RA customer TRXR. There are the tables. And in the same way, line level, there is another table. If recordist is not available, I told you another method. Can you will be able to tell me, guys?
Diagnosis,
Correct. Diagnostics,
then exam,
system, last.
system, and last query.
Yeah, whatever the module it is, same procedure. Press tab. Just come down, bottom. You can see here. RA customer TRX lines. Last one. So these two are the tables. So to identify the primary key of this table, I told you one way. The way is what it is? ETRM. Correct?
Or script we can also use, right?
This is another method, but this is the correct method actually. Go to etrm.live. ETRM. Click on this. Your version. This is the older version. This is the newer version 12.2.2. So this is the first one. Primary key. Customer TRX side. So in an alternative way, then you can go to code here. Whatever the table, press F4. If F4 is not working, you can use function button also simultaneously. Function button plus F4 you have to press based on the laptop it is. You can see. Mostly first column only, mostly. Customer TRX side is the primary key. Okay. The best way is ETRM. This is the best way to identify any primary key, foreign key, and table relationship, all this. Okay. Now, if I want to identify the join between RA customer TRX all, RA customer TRX lines all, you have to use Control F. TRX lines all. Okay, join condition is what it is. Customer TRX ID. Okay. If I want to combine these two tables, join condition is customer TRX ID. Okay. Is there any order related? See, there are no order related tables, but still, if you want to combine, I'll tell you the best way. Okay. So for invoice, how many tables we have, guys? Only two. TRX lines are distribution. Also, one more table is there. That is RA cost TRX line GL. It's a big table. Just all. This is another table I did not show you. So for invoice, three tables are there. You no need to by heart, guys. Go to help record history. You'll get to know all this. Join between these two. I told you already. Customer TRX ID. Correct. Now tell me the join. Join between these two.
RCTA dot customer TX ID.
Perfect. Who is answering? Meenak?
Sridev, sir.
Sorry.
Sridev.
Sridevi. Okay, very good. Sridevi, you without practice also you are answering nicely. Okay. Now I need a invoice number. Invoice number is here. This is the invoice number. Transaction number is the invoice number. Examine. Help diagnostics examine. TRX number is a transaction number. See, MIR and all don't take. Go to TRX number. 1 second, guys. Classroom. వాళ్ళకు రమ్మన్నారు నాకు ఏముంది సరే సరే okay. So it is why it is giving 4 lines is tax lines also there here. If you go to line level, line items, tax information. These three also included over there. So if you don't want to display all this 3 lines, state tax, country tax, city tax, so simply you can include a line type. Line type. Line type is equivalent to line only. Like this. See, now only one number it is showing. Just you keep adding the filter conditions. And if you want to see where exactly the order number, this is the order number, right? You are into account receivable right now. See, receivable you are in. But on a particular order, you created an invoice. So this is the invoice. And this reference is a sales order, right? This column where exactly it is stored is interface header attribute 1. RCTA dot interface header attribute 1. Like this. Put a alias name, sales order. Other interface header attributes also available. Interface header attribute 3. Okay. So this is the delivery ID 6264837. Put the alias name, delivery ID. 7 is 0, I don't know. Let me see 10. Okay, it's a warehouse. 10 is a warehouse. And 2, let's see. It's order type it is. Okay. So for reference only, they have stored these are all 2, 3, 10. These are all the three important columns. In account receivable, where exactly we can see order number is interface attribute 1 it is. Okay. All are important for reference. Now at line level, where can you see is line level also
Sir,
sales
sir, we can arrange the attributes as per our requirement.
interface attribute already there it is. See, if you press F4, 15 attribute columns will be there. These are all, we'll call it as a descriptive.
Sir, not getting audio.
Voice not audible. Hello, sir.
Guys, is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Now it is visible.
Yes.
I was up. I was about to exit. Okay, that's fine. Today only I'm facing this issue. Broadband and all, it's good only. I'm not sure what went wrong. Okay, so the navigation is here on the same transaction. Go to tools, create accounting. We have three modes here: draft mode, final accounting mode. Draft mode, we can create journal entries and then we cannot transfer, but here we can transfer. Here we can post also. Prefer final accounting. You will get a message saying that accounting has been successfully created. So take this number. Invoice number I'm saying. To see which accounting, view accounting. These are all the two entries here. See, debit account, credit account, names enough. Receivable account is debit and the credit account is revenue. Now, if you want to find out the tables behind this, there is a about this page option, about this page, bottom. About this page, business component reference details, expand this triangle and choose a VO. VO. VO object is a VO. These are all OAF terminology. This is the query. They have already used it. Okay. In our case, it's already ready made. Okay. So what you can do, simply double click on this. Once you double click, select this query. So this query is Oracle only given, guys. You no need to worry about all this. Only you are checking tables behind this. I can show you here itself, but Toad is convenient, comfortable. Go to Toad. Here, create another window, new tab, paste it. And after pasting, Shift Control F we have to use. Shift Control F for formatting. Yes, perfect. These are all the tables. We need to worry about only these four tables. These four tables belongs to create accounting. These four tables. These are all H aliases, table aliases. Okay. Four tables, table aliases. Now receipt we have to create it. Receipt means whenever you sell the goods, whenever you ship the goods, after sending invoice, they will make a payment. That payment is called as a receipt here. For receipt, take this transaction number first, close it. Receipts here. You are receiving manual receipt. Receipt number is, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Receipt amount is $5,000, for example. And transaction number, do not give in the left hand side, guys. Give right hand side. Apply. Pending amount here itself we can identify. Okay, balance due is this one. Save. Tomorrow we'll see a table joins. Today I'm just telling you the tables only. So these tables not available. Whenever it is not available, I told you one best method, system last query, right? So for that, tables are AR cash receipts, AR receivable applications, and AR adjustments all. These are all the three tables we can do. Okay, and pending amount we can say into AR payment schedules all. I'll give you detailed information next class. We are not completing O2C now. So we can see here the tables. After that, the next step will be create accounting again. Create accounting, you can go to again create accounting. Final here also. 2 times create accounting we have to do. One is at invoice, other one is at receipt. Now go to view accounting. Once we click on that, just see this Firefox, guys. So DR is cash, CR is receivable. Okay, debit account is cash, CR is receivable. These are all ready-made. Okay, everything is ready-made in application. Just we should know what are the entries. These are all called as an accounting entries. Accounting entries means debit account, credit account, names enough. In the reports, we'll display all these names later. And final step is transfer to GL. This is the final step, guys. So go to view, requests. Here is the place. Transfer general entries to the GL. This is the program. Ledger name is company to company, it will vary, but right now we are taking vision operations. End date is today's date. So whatever the today's date, 11th April we have to give. General import is the final program. It will create. It will show the entries. Click on this view output. Once you click on view output, just go to here tab. These are all the output tabs. Take this batch name till here batch only till here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 segments it has. Copy. You successfully created a general entry, but you need to verify into general ledger module. General ledger inquiry journal batch name. Find here. So there are two. One is invoice entry, other one is receipt entry. See the tables behind this. Yeah. Three tables here: batches, headers, lines. And one more step here is posting. We are finalizing into GL. That's called as a posting. Posting, what we can do? So right now it is unposted, right? We have to post it. For posting, go to journals, post. Batch name we have to give. Sorry, batch name we have to give. is the batch. Fine. So you can see only one entry will be there. You can post it. This is the final step, guys. So once you post it, you'll be able to see your posting. Sometimes it may call secondary ledger also, like unopened secondary ledger. That I'll tell you how to fix it. After posting, final table will be GL balances. That's all about order to cash cycle. Then tomorrow, in the next class, we'll see table relations, how we can derive query, everything. Two more classes are there. 2 more hours required to finish complete real time. The output. First, see the status of your journal entry. Go to inquiry, journal, batch name. Fine. Posted. Yeah, this is the final step, guys. Okay. So shall we see all the steps again quickly? Whatever we did are not required. From order entry to posting.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We'll go one by one. Okay. It's a revision. Only execution. Tables anyway we already discussed. Order entry onwards. Booking,
can you
pick release,
please
shipping invoice, everything. Okay. I will not take more than 2 minutes. Don't worry. So first step. Go to order management. In the initial days, it will take a lot of time for you. I know that. Book order. After booking, pick release, shipping through auto ship, we are communicating, right? We are executing both. Navigation, guys. Shipping.
shipping transaction.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah.
Release
Transaction
it.
is for shipping. Okay. But we are doing both the steps at a time. Where I need to select here. Rule is auto ship.
Auto ship.
Auto ship.
Execution.
All your 2-3 days effort, I am finishing in 2 minutes. Correct. Now after that, after shipping, what I told you, this workflow background process. It will launch automatically these two programs. Okay. Go to view. Fine. These are all previously submitted programs. You can't find. So if you see this, these are all executed programs. The advantage of with this program is, with this button is, you don't need to pass parameters again. It will take automatically. It is very slow, guys. Okay. So this is the way it will. Parameters and all you don't need to pass manually. Submit. No. Fine. It will call whatever the mentioned programs. Auto invoice master followed by import. After that, invoice will be created. Then we have to do a create accounting and receipt, create accounting, and then transfer to GL. After that, posting. Fifth step. Sixth. Just a 10 steps process, guys, overall. Okay. We are still here. Invoice level, fifth step level. So once it is completed, whenever it is completed, we have to go to receivables. Transactions. Transactions. So I need to put query mode. The reason is invoice is already created. F11. So source, what I need to enter, guys, here? Source.
Order entry.
Perfect. Okay. Then reference place,
And then
Order
Order
number.
number.
order number, control
Sir.
F11.
Sir,
Yeah.
at this stage, when I enter a order entry and a order number, it's showing no records to be retrieved, sir.
Then period is not opened in receivables. I'll fix that issue. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Take this invoice number. Okay. So I'll show you right away, whoever asked. So that is somewhere accounting periods. Yeah, control accounting open close periods. So like this, it will be there in your respective month, whatever the month is there here, right? Your March month. Sorry, April month. Like this. Okay. You just go and check whether it is open or never open. Navigation, again, I'm showing. This is a navigation. Control, accounting, open, close periods. So that is a major reason. Still, if it doesn't solve, let me know. Okay. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the next step, guys, after creating invoice? After creating invoice, the next step is accounting, correct? Accounting, create accounting it is. Go to invoice again, transaction. I'm pressing one button, it is going somewhere. Transactions. Transactions. F11. Order entry. Number. Sorry. Okay, anyway, we know invoice number. Invoice number we carried. Then query with the invoice only if you know. What is the next step, guys? Accounting. Create accounting, how we can do? Tools, create accounting, final accounting, then go to view accounting. These are all. Receivable account is a debit, revenue account is a credit. Receivable account, revenue account. Okay. So what next? Receipt creation. After create accounting, receipt creation. After receipt creation, again create accounting, and then transfer to GL. Okay. Let's see. Receipts navigation here only. Receipts, receipts. See, these are all we'll use. Okay. Whenever we wanted, we'll use all other lockbox setup. These are all. But right now, go with the only limited steps. In one day, we cannot learn all this, right? Manual. Receipt number, manual number I'm giving. $5,000. How much, whatever the amount you received from a customer, that we have to enter over here. Apply. Then apply in detail if you want. Okay, detail not required, sorry. Save. Okay. Then immediately what I told you, go to
Tool
create
creating
accounting,
accounting.
final accounting, accounting successfully completed. Then view accounting, go here, check cash. Cash is a debit, receivable is a credit. See, debit and receivable. So till now, 8 steps completed. 9th step is what it is? Transfer to GL. To transfer to general ledger module, what is the program we have to use, guys? Program name, request. Program name, simply press transfer. Tab, it will come automatically. Ledger name is vision operation. End date is today's date, 11th April 2024. If you press tab also, it will put hyphens in between automatically, like that. Okay. Fine. It will call one program, that is a journal import program. Program name is what it is? Journal import. Now, after creating entries, final is posting. Let's see. We are at final step almost. You please finish today, guys. How to set any cost. Tomorrow, I'll tell you technically how to make a relationship between invoice received, customer and invoice, sales order and customer. The next 2 classes fully technical. Technical means just joins, tables, columns. So click on view output. Sorry. Take this batch. Go to general ledger, inquiry, journal, batch name, fine. 2 entries, unposted records. To identify the tables, I told you the way. GLJ batches, you still go GLJ headers like that. Okay. Tables, I no need to show specially. And what is the final step, guys? Posting, right? For posting navigation is journals post.
Post.
Yeah. Check the checkbox, post. So once it is posted, where can you see again? Again, you have to go to inquiry, journal, give a batch name, fine. So it is selected for posting, but after a few seconds, it will be posted. processing. These are all the batch statuses. First time unposted we have seen, later selected for posting, processing. Now finally it will be posted. Just requiring to see, guys, nothing else. Posted. So O2C cycle is over. Okay. So I'm thinking to stop at this moment, guys. I'll share the video after this. 10 steps process. Please finish it. Don't delay because we have a lot of syllabus to cover. Once you are habituated with the application, the rest of the steps are very, very easy. You are very new to this application, I know, but in beginning days are a little difficult. This terminology and all new, right, for you. Okay. Any more queries before closing? Today is network is very bad, guys. Sorry. Even I am not feeling much interesting today.